Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export all contacts from Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to back up your contact database, share information with your team, or migrate data to another platform. Let's jump right in. First, click the App Launcher, which is the waffle icon located in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon opens up all the apps and features available in your Salesforce account. Once you click it, you'll see a search field appear along with various app options. In the search field, type reports and select it from the results. The Reports app is where Salesforce allows you to generate and customize data exports, making it the perfect tool for pulling your contact information. Once you're in the Reports section, click New Report. This will start the process of creating a custom report that contains all the contact data you want to export. Salesforce will prompt you to choose a report type, which determines what kind of data your report will include. In the search box that appears, type Contacts. You'll see options like Contacts Only or Contacts and Accounts. Choose the report type that fits your needs. If you only want contact information, select Contacts Only. If you also want to see which accounts those contacts are associated with, choose Contacts and Accounts. After selecting your report type, click Start Report. This takes you to the report builder where you can customize what data gets included and how it's filtered. Now look for the Filters panel on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll want to adjust two key settings: Set Show to either My Contacts if you only want contacts assigned to you, or All Contacts if you need the entire contact database. Then, set the Date filter to All Time. This ensures that every contact in your system is included, regardless of when they were created or last modified. Next, click Run to preview all the contacts that will be included in your export. This step is important because it lets you verify that you're pulling the right data before you actually download it. Take a moment to review the results and make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click the drop-down arrow next to Edit at the top of the report. From the menu that appears, select Export. This opens the export settings where you can choose how you want your data formatted. In the Export dialog, choose Details Only to get the full contact information without any summary data. Then, select your preferred file format. You can choose comma-delimited.csv or excel.xlsx, depending on what works best for your needs. CSV files are great for universal compatibility, while Excel files are better if you plan to work with the data in Microsoft Excel. After making your selection, click Export. Your file will begin downloading immediately, and you'll have a complete export of all your Salesforce contacts ready to use. This process gives you full control over your contact data and makes it easy to work with that information outside of Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.